Welcome to the Advanced OpenCV 3 course by Pact Publishing. In this course, we'll create practical end-to-end projects using OpenCV's powerful computer vision algorithms. We'll gain hands-on experience with real-world examples and artificial intelligence techniques. My name is Adi Shavit, and I've been developing computer vision applications for almost 20 years with a heavy focus on real-time image and video processing. Over the years, I've developed computer vision and machine learning systems ranging from embedded vehicle and mobile apps through desktops to large distributed cloud-based servers and services. I've been an OpenCV user and contributor since it was in early beta back in the year 2000, and I've been using it pretty much continuously ever since. Today, computer vision is ubiquitous. It's in your pocket, in your smartphone and camera. It's at the core of most Hollywood movies and TV studios. It is often subtle, but sometimes seems magical. Join me in a hands-on tour of the magical world of computer vision with OpenCV. In this course, we'll focus on several advanced topics in computer vision using OpenCV 3. The course is divided into several sections. In section 1, we'll build video surveillance tools, be it wildlife camera traps, extreme sports cameras, or closed-circuit video cameras. Many applications require video content analysis. We will use video stabilization to stabilize shaky video and apply background subtraction for video monitoring applications. Moving on, section 2 is all about object detection and robot vision. We'll learn about image features, feature descriptors, and how to quickly and robustly match them for object recognition. Like popular street mapping apps, we'll apply the perspective transform to match photos taken by different cameras at different times and locations. Finally, we'll deep dive into artificial intelligence with deep neural networks and get a taste of how deep networks can be used within OpenCV. Deep neural networks have been outperforming all previous approaches to object detection, recognition, and many other tasks. We will leverage pre-trained network models for multi-class object recognition and detection. By the end of the course, you will learn how low-level pixel information is transformed into high-level concepts for applications such as object detection, recognition, and scene monitoring. I'm really excited to continue our journey. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started.